Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I have a Peachy cheap order and I'm here to share. I haven't got Peachy cheap in a long time, so when I saw this the other day, I was like, yes, I must have this in my life. It's the Vicky Butin Metallics. I have the other ones of hers. And I thought, no, metallics, must have. Let's see. There we go. Ooh, aren't they pretty? So you get raspberry swirl. It looks like a red. Ooh. And bubblegum. Ooh, that's pretty. Nice and creamy. Pumpkin spice. I still have my cold, everybody. Pumpkin spice. Spearmint. Oh, love that. It's like a turquoise. Iceberry. There we go. Looks like a darker blue. And butterscotch. Like a gold. And then of course you get a little handle thing. I'm not keeping the package. But also included in this bundle was some stencils. Sweet Rush. Oh, I'm going to keep that though. So let's check out the stencils. You get the pretty butterflies. Yeah, I'll keep that too. So that's this one. And this one. That's cool. Like X's and O's. There's another one called, oh, that must just be the line Sweet Rush. So these were called Flutter Stencil, Voyage and Revolution or something. And on this one, it's Making Waves, Fairy Duva, and I don't know. Weird names. Okay, nice cool background, keep that. Hearts. Oh, this one's cool. Like a leaf. swirl. That's cool. So got 6 stencils and then 6 paste. And then a little tool. I think I paid 16. I don't remember. Sorry, that's my Ricky Butin haul. It's from Peachy. And it's called, the stencils are the Sweet Rush line. And this one is her metallic, or for everyone, metallic texture paste set. So, I just wanted to share with the Vicky Butin from Peachy. They have deals every day on Peachy. So, go check them out, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. And bye for now.